Ho ho, we're here again. It's another Aldi versus M&S challenge. This one, it's a straightforward, easy one. It's smoked salmon. And we start with the rich and intense specially selected smoked salmon cured with salt and demerara sugar and smoked over oak and whiskey cask chips. Who dreams this up? And here we have the M&S version, smoky and robust, smoked salmon, responsibly sourced, Caledonian Gold smoked salmon, expertly cured and twice smoked over local whiskey cask shavings. Same kind of principle for a delicious smoky flavour. So the only difference is the Aldi version for 100 grams is £3. The M&S version is £5.66. So that's about 85% more expensive than Aldi. So this is an easy one for Auntie Karen's going to do the test as ever, and I'm going to plate it up and you can watch me. So there we are, they're unpacked. Gotta say there's more of a darker colour to the M&S, but it's all about the taste. So I am now going to open the Aldi, slice some 2 or 3 pieces for Auntie Karen, and I'll do the same with the M&S, and then we'll take them over to her in the dining room. Okay, so just so I know, I put a sticker underneath the plate that Auntie Karen won't see, and I'm only giving her that much. That's all she's gonna get. I'm gonna make a patty out of the rest that's left. Yeah, I think you're getting the drift. So now we do the M&S. Pop that on there. And I'm going to give her a little bit of lemon juice and some pepper, and we'll take them through as easy as that. Oh, the chase. When does the chase ever not on, actually? Right, Auntie Karen, I present you with the first selection. There's only 2, so I want you to take your time, do what you normally do, pop some lemon on, yeah, and then just slice it. I won't get too close while you enjoy this. Lovely. She loves the smoked salmon. Is that nice? They're both smoked over whiskey, cask, charcoal bits or something. The things they tell us. So you kind of rate that?
Lovely.
But you can't rate it until they give you the other one, can you?
I love smoked salmon.
Well, I know you do. Let's see what you think of the other offering. You don't know which is which. She's going, come on, Dave, bring me more salmon. So there is option 2. And as before, just exactly the same, no different. Bit of lemon on it, that's good. I've already peppered them both. So what do we think of that? Which has also been smoked over the whiskey cask charcoals or something. What do you think?
Right.
She's made the decision.
There's more flavour in that.
Okay.
I can taste it more.
Yes.
But that seems softer and easier to eat.
And in that sense, but have you got one you'd say, this is the one I'd buy?
Very difficult, because I actually quite like the taste of that, but it's stronger.
Yeah. So if you had to go and buy one.
I don't think I'd mind. Yeah, that one maybe, because it's softer and easier.
Okay, so there's, as with the steak, it's so borderline. There's hardly anything in it, which is what we'd expect. Okay, right, I will now reveal something to you. Yeah, it's so good, she's actually eaten the rest of it. And unbeknownst to Auntie Karen, just lift the plate up. Which is it? Show me. Show me. I'm the one who needs to know. Oh, Aldi. You've chosen Aldi over M&S. And if you lifted that one, that just confirms there's no cheating going on here. M&S. Right, interesting. So it's level. Aldi won, M&S won after the steak challenge. So it's all going to be on the pigs in blankets. She's going to eat that now. What's she like? Okay, thanks Auntie Karen. So we've got an Aldi and we've got an M&S on the first two challenges. So there we go. Auntie Karen has spoken, she's spoken, and it's been smoking. And the answer is, yeah, that for £3 is the winner. And that at 85% more money is still gorgeous. But if you're on a budget, you've got to save your pennies and go with the Aldi version. See you with the pigs in blankets tomorrow.